Axe Root. No, go on. It's okay. I don't even want any of that. I just feel like take it all.
Okay. If it's like, okay, yeah. Maybe that's what, I mean, that's the second cuts.
Oh, gross. This is just all very.
Okay, wait. Let's start up here in this nice little section.
I just want that to go away.
Okay.
Okay, that goes away.
Done.
Oh my god, Maggie, it's so greasy.
It's really greasy.
It's so
I
gross.
feel like gloves would have to be thrown away.
I don't know if I want to be a sheep farmer anymore. Okay.
This section is not okay. This needs to come out.
Gross. This is the grossest thing.
It is pretty gross. This is a good piece.
Okay, wait. There's corns.
No, oh wait, okay.
Take that. Okay.
Oh,
Are you dying, Maggie?
no, it's just funny.
Stop eating it! Stop! Go on!
Really gross. This is not what I envisioned. Where you're like, let's separate wool. Like,
Oh my god, I'm crying. Axe Root, please stop eating the fleece.
like it just seems like such a waste because look at these little poopy areas. And then like look at this.
But see, is that poopy or is it weathered?
I don't really know what to mean by weathered. But
Carrot, really?
oh yeah, here. You got 'em.
Go, carrot. No. Come on.
Like include a letter or like I mean I would want some feedback. Like, hey, this is my first time. What should I do differently? And
I absolutely suck at sorting fleece.
Yeah, well, and just be like, send me some tips, please.
Or charge me.
I know.
Axe Root. What do you think?
I don't know. I mean, I'm not really sure what it's supposed to look like.
Burn it all.
Yeah.
Just burn it. Actually, I wonder, do you think this is a good fire starter? Because it's so oily?
Yeah, actually, I think people do use it.
Do they?
Why do I feel like that's a thing?
Alright, so this goes to the mill. That, something happens to it.